So here's how to find your Discord token. First, you'll need to open the browser. It could be Chrome or Firefox, it doesn't matter. Now you need to log into your Discord account, and in the Discord selected, press F12 and it should open this inspector. Now go to Network tab, and then you will see a post request. If you don't see it, you can simply click on refresh, and then you can click on any of those requests. For example, the first one here. Now you will need to scroll down, and under request headers tab, you should see authorization parameter. Should appear in here. If you don't see it, click on another one. For example, this one here. It's usually at me. I think find them there. I'm gonna click this one. And if you see a parameter called authorization, the value next to it, which is this one in this case, is your Discord token, and then you can copy it and use it however you like. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.